Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to delete shared files in your Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see right here under suggested, I can see all of my recently opened files. Here I can see all of my folders where I group my files into them, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that I have that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page and now let's look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options that you have for viewing and managing your files, such as your drive. You can see your shared files. Here you can see your recent files, your trash, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead now and open up this share with me option right here, and here we will see all of our shared files. So guys, let's say that we have some files that we are sharing but we do not want to use anymore. How do you delete them guys? Well, it's very easy and you only need a couple of clicks. Let's go ahead and say this is the file right here that I do not want to use, that is shared with me anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and find the file that I want to delete, and then I'm going to go ahead and right click on it. After right clicking guys, you will see that this will now open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options that you can use, such as sharing the file, getting the link, or so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and find the option right here called remove. Guys, go ahead and click on remove. And now as you can see, this will successfully delete the file from our shared option. So as you can see, we can no longer find it amongst our shared folder. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.